Welcome, this is NASA Trades. Thank you so much for coming to my YouTube videos. I hope this is all informative to you guys because this content is literally for you guys. My name is NASA Trades. I am a penny stock day trader. I am a student and currently learning from live stream trading. The main moderator, the owner, is Jeff. Please check out my previous videos. You guys will then see who he is, why I joined him, why I left Deckmart Trades, why I'm not a part of Timothy Sykes or anyone else. And I really hope that that content is valuable to you because it is to me. And I hope that you understand what is important to you because I am learning what is important to me. So today we're going to talk about one topic. It is which trading platform should you use to paper trade? Why should you paper trade? And I'll tell you some benefits and just one or two cons that I really would agree that exist. Other than that, it's just other people's opinions, what they say about paper trading. So, before I get started in explaining, what you're looking at is a Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. It's a G-Wagon on fucking steroids. I love it. It's about 500, 600 stacks. That's $500,000, $600,000. I do plan on buying one in the future and keeping it forever. This Mercedes-Benz was created because of the Jeeps in America. Everyone knows Jeep was a military-issued vehicle, and it became consumerized. Same thing with this. The German military used these type of 6x6s. And this is kind of like their Hummer. And it's fucking deadly. I love it. Moving on. Another thing I want to talk about real quickly is mentors. Please reevaluate your mentor. Stop being stubborn. Stop being emotional. I know you guys love them. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh my god, he's so nice. Oh my god, I just want to... This is a business. At least to me. If you think this is a friendship, that we're going to be butt buddies, we're going to do this, we're going to do that, that is not the proper mindset to be on. You're here to trade penny stocks. You're here to make money trading penny stocks. And you need to learn so you could do that. Remember what I said in my previous videos? If you have not yet watched them, please take the time to go watch my why I joined live stream trading, why I'm no longer with Deckmart Trades, and which mentors that I go through to kind of have an understanding that I do today. Scalpers. There are only a few on Twitter that I have come across that I think are valid scalpers. But if you're new to trading, and my new is 0 to 12 months. If you've only been trading 0 to 12 months, you're still new. Stop jumping around from chat room to chat room, guys. Get to one chat room and understand that what you're about to learn is going to be important. But what I think is important for all of you guys to know is learn how to trade. Stop looking for who knows the best entry, who knows the best exit. That is not, in my opinion, the best way to go about it. Because I'm learning and I'm witnessing who's consistent and who's not. You can almost tell on Twitter who is and who isn't. So what I love about live stream trading is that he teaches so properly, so effectively. He teaches the right way to think before a stock happens, during the stock's happening. I mean, yes, it may be slow at times. Yes, it may not be feeling all hyped up. But trust me, he has a 90% eye for finding a great setup. And it is up to you, and he'll teach you how, even then. But it is up to you how you trade that stock. He has videos that teach you, how do we trade in my chat room? How should you trade? What should you know? How many shares should you go in at this time or at that time? What type of trader are you? And how should you move forward in my chat room. A lot of chat rooms are like, all right, everybody, just be quiet, just sit down, relax, let's go. The stock market's opening up. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I got an entry. Oh, I got out. Damn, boom, just made $80 million. Boom, I'm good, ready to go. I'm clocking out. Good luck, everybody. Boom, I'm done. I don't know. Anyways, so today we're going to talk about Thinkorswim and Trade Zero. They are the only platforms I would highly suggest for anyone who would like to begin paper trading. And I hope you do paper trade, because I've been paper trading and I'm learning a lot. Let's get this started, guys. Let's go on Google and type in TD Ameritrade. So what we're going to do is we're going to introduce Thinkorswim to you guys, and what I'm going to tell you is that this is my favorite one, and this is currently what I use, and it took me about, I think, 2 weeks to really get used to its setup. So here's TD Ameritrade. In order to get Thinkorswim paper money, more likely they're going to ask you to get a TD Ameritrade account. Cool, no problem. Come here, click Open New Account. Thank God my internet is fast. Fill everything out as if you are opening a real account. No, you're not a fucking investor. You're a speculator. Yeah, fill that out. Get your account. Boom, 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 boom. See, look, you got step 1, start your application. Tell us more about you. Review and edit. Agree to terms. Tell them the truth, and you are a speculator. That's one thing that they're going to ask you. Are you doing this for investment, for growth, for income, or speculation? Speculation. It's just a fucking application. Fill it out. They're not going to come knocking on your door. Once you're done with that, you're going to come here. You see the dollar register here for paper money. Click it. Come at the bottom. Register and get 60-day trial. I think I have more than 60-day, but I'm going to re-register with it. Actually, I'm not, because SureTrader should be fucking opening up my account next week, and I should be going live. So here it is. Yes, because you did just open with TD Ameritrade. So now you are ready to go. Yes, fill in your ID here as you did with TD Ameritrade. Verify your account. Your account has been verified. Click the button below. Download. Nice move. You've just made a smart decision by choosing to download our advanced trading platform, Thinkorswim. So install Thinkorswim for Windows. I do the 64-bit. Mac, and I don't know who the fuck uses this, but that's that. And then what you do is this will download itself. Double click. This always pops up. Always. Yes. Alright, so here we are. This is what you're going to look at when it first downloads itself onto your desktop. Understand, it will more likely be live trading. You want to do paper trading. Color this side should be brown like shit. Here's a setting button. Go ahead and click that. Language, color scheme, font size, proxy, memory usage. Do not touch these two. English, if you're American or if you're not. Basically, that's it. Well, it's kind of like 99% of the world speaks this language, and then 90% of the world speaks this language because of their population. Anyway, so dark theme, whatever fucking theme you want. Chinese dark. What the fuck is Chinese dark? I'm gonna try Chinese dark. Alright, so my username, of course, you already know. Alright, so this TOS was messing up the other day or the other week, so now I'm always like stuck with NETE. So every time I log in, I go to NETE and I trust. Oh, cool. Sell. It takes me back to 0. Oh, I guess this is Chinese. Nah. How do I log out? I guess just exit. Alright, we're gonna go back in because I didn't like that Chinese bullshit. I'm just gonna stick to American. Master trades. See, every time I come here, it's same shit. I gotta go to NATE. Just take it off the screen. What the fuck is this? Ah, shoot. I'm so dumb. So dumb. Forgot to get rid of that goddamn Chinese! Chinese God's fucking with me. My iced tea almost fell, but luckily Chick-fil-A's got that tight top on it. Alright, go back to settings. Fucking get rid of Chinese. See, you should just always just keep it the way it is. Alright, so here we are. Thinkorswim. Fucking 4,000. Neat, you're an idiot. You're an asshole. I fucking hate you. Alright, get the fuck out of my way. Alright, so let's see how the screen comes up for you guys, because I know it's home screen. Alright, so this is what you're going to see when you come on here. Paper Trade is a simulated trading account, which is stated here. The first thing you want to do before you click anything, you go to support and chat, live support, create support request, choose department. It's trade desk. But you could do general support. I think I did trade desk. I forgot. And then you just type in. You say you could say paper trade, paper trader requesting live timing, live real-time data, requesting real-time data, and then just type in hi. Alright, we're doing this live, by the way. Oh, it's Saturday. What the okay, so they're more likely not going to be able to respond today. Saturday. I totally forgot. Sorry, guys. So you can just cancel requests here. But yeah, you could just do that, and just this is your type box, and you could just be like, hey, my name is Jimmy Joe Johnson. I am using the thing Paper Trade. Can I get the real-time data? They'll be like, oh yes, just give me a few minutes, and then it's going to say real-time data right here. See that? That's what you need to see. Connected, real-time data. If it's not real-time data, you're not going to get the whole sensation of paper trading close to real live. Okay, so that's what you're going to be your session. Just go to trade and charts. That's all you need to learn is trade and charts. Those are the only two things. Don't touch anything else. And then monitor is where you come in and you could see when I'm trading using these two areas, I don't waste my time looking at working orders. I just look at filled orders, and they'll come here and they'll just populate it here. And then you can see working orders, filled orders, canceled orders, and that's fucking NETE. Yep. And then rolling, I don't know what that is. So yeah, so monitor, the only thing NASA does is just filled orders, and that's it. That's all I click on is this. And then I look over here and I see the money. Adjust account. I do margin. I don't like these two. I don't know what those two mean. I just margin, and then I unfortunately have 25 stacks as my only option, but you can literally just do anything you want here, and then you can always reset it here. So yes, boom. You see the 0000 right there? Click here. 25,000. Add. Now you have 25,000 in buying power. So that's how you do it here. That's how you adjust this by this here. I come to monitor and I look at that here, and then you'll have your trades laid out for you here, just in the way they have it. Account statements. We're paper trading, guys. We don't fucking need this. All right, so then you come to trade, and trade is going to be. Let me take this off. Obviously, I have everything already set. Okay, this was Friday. So this is what trade window is going to look like. Now I have already the indicators and the colors and everything set up. If you want to change the appearance of how yours is going to look like compared to mine, what you want to focus is this window right here. All right. Oops. Right here. That window right there will change the appearance and all your options there. This right here is showing you your indicators, what you've got going on. That's my 9 EMA, my VWAP, my gap reversals. I forgot what that one is. And then my 50-day. That's what's showing me there. Okay, and then let me make this a little better. That's that. This is your options area. We're going to talk a lot about this area, but I'm just moving to the left. And then you have the company name, high, low. Dang it. I'm just going to take this. There you go. NETE. I've linked it. This is a link window. I'll show you what that's about. There's a company name. There's a current price. There's a percentage up here. Obviously a 0 because it's Saturday. But that's all right there. I'm on a 1-day, 2-minute NASDAQ. NET, 1-day, 2-minute NASDAQ. The day is April 6th, 2018, 5:12 p.m. The open in this entire stock was at $7.33. And the high went with 7, whatever, it's right there, right? That's that. And then you obviously have your volume. Oops. Your volume and stuff down here. Right? And then there's another thing down here we'll talk about. So there's your volume there, there's your prices here. And then you got your trading option windows here, which I'll show you that. And the logo right there. And yeah, that's it for just the screen part, okay? So then what I want to do now is talk about, actually we'll do this. So you saw the screen, here's the price on this side, here's the price on that side. You see these tabs right here? You can pop them out. This is just trade. When you click trade, you could just do, oops. I usually hide this if you don't notice that. I hide it. Click this arrow. You'll be able to limit, market, stop, stop limit, trail stop limit, and I don't know what those two means. You could choose your shares. Good to close, day, exit, good to close, exit, template. Always do auto send. Always click auto send, because when I don't do auto send, it fucking it gives me like a confirmation. I don't like it. Just auto send. When I tell you to sell buy, sell buy. So that's that right there. That comes with trade. And then time and sales, obviously, right here. And then active trader. I don't know how to read this, guys, to be honest with you. I just look at profit and day, all my stuff here, and then this, auto send, single, and then I just choose what I want. And then you could also add more if you want, but I just keep it the way it is. You might see this closed sometimes and it'll look like this. Just hit the arrow. But that's that there. So there's my time and sales, there's my active trader. I don't use this. This is almost the same thing as the trade up here. But it's way too simple. I don't use that. So chart, obviously, the chart is right there. If you get rid of the chart's gone. There's a chart. And then chart 2. Oh, and this is what your thing might look like. Let me just show you this then. That's what you might look like. That's what your thing might look like. Right? It may look like this when you first get the thing going. So, and then you got your charts 3. So chart 1, chart 2, chart 3, however way you want to set them up. Some people's charts look like this, where they have the blue colors of volume. You can have the dashboard set up. Just open everything up, just show you guys everything. And that's that. And then you got your level 2s right there. Obviously you could so that's that, and then you get your live news. So you get it all right here, you know. This is all the news right here. That's your level 2, your dashboard, chart number 3, chart number 2, chart number 1. So that's that. So I do chart number 1, level 2. this, and that. So that's kind of how I use it right there. So this is my news, this is my level 2, this is my active trader. I buy and sell. This is my time and sales, and this is my chart here. And this is just all in trade. So let's get rid of the information. And we are now just looking at my chart. Here's my volume. Let's get to edit this. So you could share this chart. You can how to share this item. Create a link, share on my trade, open my trade items after I press share. You could share this trade. Here's your studies. I used the 9, VWAP, and moving averages, and you could type in more stuff here. Always click apply. And then we have the settings. So it goes general, price, time, favorite, time frames, appearance, equities, options, futures. So in general, I like to show my trades, show alerts, show studies, highlight studies on hover, show high and low bubbles, show last price bubble. You could do extended order alert line. I don't do that. Show symbol logo. So that's like this right here. So that's that. And then you could do show trades. So if you click show trades, apply. Let me choose one that I actually did have. This was my LFN. See that? Quickly, boom, 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 gone. It's not as accurate to show you, but that's show my trades right there. Settings down here, I just keep them the way they are. That's that. Price axis, I think I've kept this the way it is. You guys can pause this video and see it, pause the video and see it, pause the video and see it. You guys know my favorite time frames. I could just move this up right there. So 1 day, 1 minute, 1 day, 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 5 day, 5 minute, 1 year, 1 day, 1 year monthly, 10 days every 5 minutes, etc. Apply, it saves it. Appearance. Let's talk about appearance. So I change my colors the way I like them. Neutral is always white. Show ticks. Alright. And then you could do bar. You could do candle like this. You could do candle trend. You could do this shit. You could do line. You could do area. You could do this. Obviously I do candle trend because I'm a penny stock trader. And then the cursor. You could do none, horizontal, vertical, cross. I do cross because, like, you see this? I like the whole cross. And then you could choose your color. I choose the color to be light gray because I don't want it to distract me. And then volume bars, you could do the preset, which is this color, or you could color a symbol ticks. So if it's red, it's red. If it's white, it's white. If it's green, it's green. That's how I like it to be. Thanks a lot to Bank Trades, man. Appreciate the support, guys. I don't like grids. But this is grids right here. I don't like to use them all the time because they mess up my support and resistance on my eyes. But I think they're great. I mean, it's like a pre-made resistance and support for you. You could just be like, boom, right here. Here's support right here. Right there. You see 1, 2, bottom, bottom, up, 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 up. You see that? Support right here. Bottom, 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 you know what I'm saying? So that's that right there. What else can I show you on appearance? So that's that. You could do that. Return to chart defaults. That's just your appearance. Your equities. Pause the screen. This is how I have it set up. Highlight extended hours, guys. Show extended hours. Okay. Options, pause the screen, futures, and Forex. So that's this. My time frames. I switch from 1 minute, oops, whatever, right? So that's that. This is LFIN. The style, you can take the time to do this. I've saved everything, and you can save it, come over here, save workplace as, and then I do NASA Live, NASA Main, and TTM style. Those are my like layouts, I guess you could say. You could save it here, all right? Let's move on from here. Drawings. You can fucking draw. You should already know that. Studies. Quick studies. Quickly look at the studies. That's what they're telling you. Volatility studies. Right? Trend studies. Alphabetically organized. There's TTM Scalper. Right there. Trend studies. Go to P&T, TTM Scalper, TTM Squeeze, Trend. They're all here, guys. How'd I got here? Quick studies. Add a study. All studies. Alphabetically organized. Edit studies. Remove all studies. Reset to factory default. Save study set. Load study set. Main indicators, NASA 77. Those are mine. Delete. That's studies. Patterns. Show patterns. I think I just kept it the way it is. This box, it like quickly tells you which preset options you could choose. And then this is some more information on here. Alright, so I have mine organized with the links. If you look over here, you can unlink it, link it. So that means when I have these things out, when I click a stock, these will move with it as well. And you guys already know what that's like. This is pretty weird but cool. You see these bubbles? You can literally choose how many windows you want. Let's say you want an up and down window. Up, down. Let's say you want 3 up and down. 3 up and down. Let's say you want 4 up and down. 4 up and down. Let's say you want side to side. Side to side to side. Side to side to side to side. Side to side to side to side to side. You know? But anyways, you can literally just fucking waste your time. You know? I usually just do this if I have to, but more likely just keep it this way. Yeah. Here's another option. More settings. So not in trade. Oh, if you click this thing over here at the bottom, I don't use this, but if you click this over here, you can see more of what's going on with your deals. But yes, so damn, it's already been 30 minutes. Oh, fuck. It's such a long video already. Alright, I'm going to make a... Alright, I'm just going to make this quick because I'll make this 30-minute video. So, alright, so that's that right there. You can zoom in and out. Here's your mouse area. Here's all the things that you can use. Play with them. You want to draw boxes, draw circles, draw arrows. Do any of this stuff is in this arrow right here. Make sure you're always on this so you could zoom in and out. You know, make sure you're on that. If you're on this, you can't do that. You can just only move the thing around. So jump back into here. Here's your lines. Here's your price, the way I do things and stuff. And then dollar amount, you can just go back into here. And you can, I already showed you guys this. Here's my chart here. If you click, when you come to chart, not trade, guys. When you come to chart, whatever your chart setup is, you click this right here, show actions menu. Take screenshot. Boom! It just took an exact screenshot of your screen. That's the only difference between trade and chart. But that's all I use right there. Then I have all my information here. This is my TTM scalper indicator that I showed you guys yesterday. And that's it. And that's it. So when I'm ready to trade, boom, I take them out. Bring them out, and then I just start looking here. I'm like, all right, boom, I'm going long here. I'm clicking buy. All right, let's buy. Boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying? Like, just make stuff happen. And that's it. And that's how I use paper trading. News, level 2, time and sales, the active trader, my indicators, and I jump back and forth. And that's it. So, thanks so much for watching. This is NASA Trades. And this completes the Thinkorswim little paper trade tutorial on it. I will make trade 0, and then I'll talk to you guys about the benefits because I feel like I talked way too much on this one. It's already 30 minutes. So go to the next video. We're going to talk about trade 0, the benefits of trade 0, and then the benefits of paper trading. But this was Thinkorswim, and this is the main one that I use, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks a lot.